to use Aviator Predictor App. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Aviator Predictor App quite easily. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply click on the search bar from the bottom menu of your screen, and on the search bar just simply search for Aviator Predictor. And as soon as you search for it, you will see that in the result you will not see any application which says Aviator Predictor, which means the Aviator Predictor app is not available on your App Store or your Play Store. So for that you have to come to your Chrome browser, and over here on the search bar just simply search for Aviator Predictor APK, and you will be able to get the result. And just simply click on the first link that you will see on the top, and from there just simply click on download v2.5.1 APK, and now your Aviator Predictor app has been started downloading, and now it will check few criterias, and as soon as it is done it will ask you to click on start, and now it will ask you to read all these informations about the app and how it works. You just simply have to click on next. Just scroll down and click on next. There are some mandatory requirements, so if you want to read them just simply stop the page and read them. It says that you can't win more than 3 times in a row. It is crucial to let the plane takes off. If all the bets in the statistics are profitable, this will immediately raise suspicion and your gaming account could be blocked along with the money. So you have to keep all these things in mind. So you must withdraw profit from your gaming account daily. You should leave a sum of account necessary for further gaming. The tactics will help preserve fund in case your gaming account gets blocked due to suspicious activity. Simply click on next. You have to choose the casino game for your type. You can select that once the game gets started, and now finally click on next. Click on sign up, and now you have to select your account. I have already selected my email address and the account, and now just scroll down again, click on sign up casino. Click on sign up again, and now your Aviator Predictor app has been installed and opened in your mobile app successfully. And now in order to start playing the game, just simply scroll down, and under the crash game sections you will be able to see the option called Aviator app. Just simply click on it in order to start it. So Aviator is simply yet thrilling game that involves a plane taking off. As the plane ascends, a multiple increases representing the potential winning. The key to game is deciding when to cash out before the plane crashes. If you wait too long, the plane will get crashed and you will lose your bet, and the goal is to cash out at the right moment and to maximize your winnings. So how does this Aviator play game works? So there are few aspects that you have to keep in mind while playing the game, because this is how it works. So you have to place your bet. So as you can see on your home screen, there are so many bets that are available, so you can select from the one. So you can see that this one is for 100 INR, this one is for 100 INR again. So you have to start by selecting the amount you want to bet, and you can place 1 or 2 bets simultaneously, giving you more control over your potential winnings. Then you have to watch your plane taking off. As you can see on the screen, which was showing in the screen, that the plane is taking off and it has flew away. So once the game started, the plane takes and the multiples begins to increase. The longer the plane flies, the higher the multiples, but the risk of the plane crashing also increases. You have to keep these things in mind. Now the most important part is to cash out the increase of the money. So for example, you have placed the bet for 100 INR in the game, and you see your plane is getting flew away, and as soon as the plane gets nearer to the ground and you think that it is going to crash, you just have to take out your money at that point in time, because if you wait too long, your plane will get crashed and you will lose your money. The key to winning in Aviator is knowing when to cash out. You can cash out at any time by clicking the cash out button, securing your winning at the current multipliers. If you wait too long and the plane crashes, you will lose your bet. Then you just simply have to repeat the same process over and over again in order to make multiple wins. And after each round you can place new bet and try your luck again. The game is the best placed with round typically lasting just a few seconds, so you can play multiple rounds in short times if you don't have much time. Now I'm going to share some tips for winning at Aviator. So start small. So if you're new to Aviator, you have to start with very small bets to get a feel of the game before increasing your stakes. And pay attention to the pattern. While the game is based on random outcomes, some players believe in watching for patterns or trends in the multipliers. You need to set a goal and decide a multiplier at which you will always cash out, and helping you to avoid the temptation for waiting too long. And you should also know when to stop. Like all betting games, it is important to play responsibly, set a budget and stick to it. Don't bet too much, otherwise you will lose out your money, which is not great. Now let's talk about some of the features of the Aviator game. This is very simple gameplay. The Aviator game is easy to understand and play, it making it accessible for both new and experienced player. And the exciting and fast pace, this is very exciting and fast paced game, as you can see, because it doesn't require you to do a multiple step, which is very simple to use as well. With round that lasts just few seconds, the game is full of excitements and keep players on the edge of their seats. So there are multiple betting options, so your player can place 1 or 2 bets per round, allowing for the flexible strategies as well. There is also community chat option that people can use. So if you click on the chat option from the top right corner, so you can see that you have to deposit the money in order to start it. But I'm not depositing the money because I don't want to play, I'm just telling you guys. So there are many players offering Aviator. Includes community chat where player can discuss strategies and share their experience in real time. Now, where you can play Aviator online. You can start playing Aviator online by visiting Aviator Online Game. The platform offers a secure and enjoyable gaming experience with easy registration and various platform or payment options for depositing and withdrawing your funds. Now, in conclusion, I would like to tell you about the Aviator Online game, and it offers a unique blend of simplicity and excitement, yet making it more favorable among online gamers. Whether you're looking to try out luck or develop a winning strategy, Aviator provides plenty of opportunity to win big. To get started, visit Aviator Online Game. Take to the skies for your chances at high flying winnings. Yeah, so and about the Aviator app as well, I would like you to pay attention while downloading the application. Don't download the application from random sources. Make sure that you're downloading the application from the Aviator Predictor's official website, because that is the only authentic source from where you are supposed to get the application in your device. Otherwise, there are so many frauds going on out there, so don't get fooled by them. And yeah, these are the things that I wanted to discuss about Aviator Predictor app and how you can use it. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to use Aviator Predictor app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.